ENJIN coin cost is floating close to its most reduced level this year as economic situations decay. The ENJ token has imploded by more than 86% from its unequaled high. Its decay has occurred when other monetary resources auction. Stocks have tumbled while gold has declined to the least level in months. Likewise, non-fungible tokens have kept on diving. NFT concerns. ENJIN is a main player in the gaming and NFT industry. Engineers utilize Stage to fabricate applications integrate NFTs. For instance, organizations like Microsoft have utilized its Affinity Stage to construct NFT items. ENJIN likewise runs ENJINX, a commercial center for NFTs. The stage has more than 8,000 on special, with ENJ being the fundamental digital money for the stage. There are a few justifications for why ENJIN has crashed as of late. To begin with, ongoing information shows that interest for NFTs is crashing. For instance, information shows that NFTs like Bored Ape Yacht Club and Azuki have dove their costs and volume. Accordingly, there are worries that these NFTs won't do well in that frame of mind of exorbitant loan fees. Second, there are worries about the well-being of the monetary market. This year, stock costs have declined pointedly, with the Nasdaq 100 falling by more than 28% from its most significant level this year. Likewise, the S&P 500 record has declined by more than 18% from its YTD high. A similar pattern has occurred in different resources like gold and bonds. Gold has pulled back by 12% from its most noteworthy point this year, while security yields have leaped to a long-term high. ENJIN coin cost expectation. On the 4H outline, we see that the ENJ cost has been in a tight reach in the beyond couple of days. During this time, the coin shaped a balanced triangle design. This triangle can prompt a breakout on one or the other side. On Wednesday, it figured out how to move beneath its lower side. It has additionally moved beneath the 25-day moving normal. The coin has likewise declined underneath the sliding trendline displayed in red. Along these lines, there is plausible that the coin will keep falling as bears focus on the following key help level at $0.5600. Subsequently, the stop for this exchange will be at 75 cents. What is ENJIN coin? ENJ. ENJIN coin is a venture of ENJIN, an organization that gives a biological system of interconnected blockchain-based gaming items. ENJIN's leader offering is the ENJIN Network, a social gaming stage through which clients can make sites and tribes, visit, and host virtual thing stores. ENJIN permits game designers to tokenize in-game things on the Ethereum blockchain. It utilizes ENJIN coin, an ERC20 token, to back the advanced resources gave utilizing its foundation, implying that things can be purchased, sold and exchanged with true worth. ENJIN coin was first declared in July 2017, and it sent off on the Ethereum mainnet in June 2018. ENJIN coin, ENJ, is an advanced store of significant worth used to back the worth of blockchain resources like non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Each resource stamped with the ENJIN platform contains ENJ, a printing asset which is locked inside NFTs and eliminated from dissemination. Printing blockchain resources with ENJ gives an assortment of advantages to makers and clients. Infuses them with a hold esteem ensures their straightforwardness and shortage gives them example liquidity provides utility in games and applications, anti-inflationary engines softening usefulness, permits clients to annihilate their blockchain resources whenever to recover the ENJ esteem from the inside. The ENJIN blockchain biological system expects to offer programming items that make it simple for everybody to create, exchange, adapt, and market with blockchain. As per the most recent information assembled, the ongoing cost of ENJIN coin is 69 cents, and ENJ is at present positioned number in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of ENJIN coin is 889,481,956 with a market cap of $613,346,162. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the ENJIN coin's cost has shown a decent increment of 4.7% as of now. ENJIN coin is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The ENJ is down to nearly 1.44% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could major areas of strength for have yet. We don't imagine that it would We give our all to gather greatest verifiable information for the ENJ coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, ENJIN coin market cap, ENJIN coin volume and not many more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our forecasts. ENJIN coin price prediction 2022. As indicated by our profound specialized examination on past value information of ENJ, in 2022, the cost of ENJIN coin is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of 73 cents. The ENJ cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 85 cents, with a typical exchanging cost of 76 cents. What is the ENJIN coin cost today? Today ENJIN coin (ENJ) is exchanging at 69 cents, with a market cap of $613,346,162.000. What will be the ENJ most noteworthy estimate cost for 2022? The ENJ cost is supposed to arrive at a greatest degree of 85 cents toward the finish of 2022. Is ENJIN coin (ENJ) a wise speculation? ENJIN coin's worth is supposed to keep on growing, as deficiency will in general empower cost rise. Kindly note, there is a gamble to any speculation. Simply put resources into what you can achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and lead the greatest examination conceivable. How high might ENJIN coin at any point go? The typical cost of ENJIN coin (ENJ) could go to 76 cents before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effectively come to the $3.17 mark. What amount will ENJIN coin be worth in 2030? As far as value, ENJIN coin has an exceptional potential to arrive at new levels. It is estimated that ENJ will increment in esteem. As indicated by unambiguous specialists and business investigators, ENJIN coin can hit the greatest cost of $23.73 till 2030. May 20, the cost of ENJIN coin was at $0.698926 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 4.70%. A week prior, on May 14, ENJ was esteemed at $0.673312, and that really intends that from that point forward, the cost has varied by 0%. A month prior, on April 21, the market member laid out the cost of ENJIN coin at $1.52. Subsequently, the coin has made a 54.51% move to arrive at its current standings. On May 20, ENJ had a market capitalization of $621,680,947. Last week, on May 14, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $598,899,259. A month prior, on April 21, the market worth of ENJIN coin was evaluated to be $1,331,126,156. Lastly, the flowing stockpile is utilized to work out the market capitalization and survey the coins ongoing remaining in the positions. It means the general measure of ENJ that is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly put unavailable for general use out of the blue. It's by and large accepted that digital forms of money that have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million are the most appropriate for long-haul venture, since they are probably going to see the value in esteem throughout a drawn-out timeframe, potentially many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. At this point, ENJIN coin has a flowing stock of 889,481,956 coins. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ENJ arrived at the mark of $75,278,677. Yesterday, on May 20th, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $102,292,950. A week prior, on May 14th, how much ENJ that was traded between market members was assessed at $227,806,385. What is the ENJIN coin cost today? Today ENJIN coin ENJ is exchanging at 69 cents with a market cap of $613,346,162.000. What will be the ENJ most noteworthy estimate cost for 2022? The ENJ cost is supposed to arrive at a greatest degree of 85 cents toward the finish of 2022. Is ENJIN coin ENJ a wise venture? ENJIN coin's worth is supposed to keep on extending as lack will in general empower cost rise. If it's not too much trouble, note there is a gamble to any speculation. Simply put resources into what you can achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and lead the most extreme exploration conceivable. How high might ENJIN coin at any point go? The typical cost of ENJIN coin ENJ could go to 76 cents before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will